Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna learn about a very interesting feature inspired from one click, right? So it is a keyboard based scalping feature. So let's quickly go and look into that. So here is the scalping feature. So if you go to the profile section, from here you can find the scalping which is available in the latest OpenAlgo, which is under the beta version. So here you will be able to go to the scalping terminal. By default, the exchange is NFO, right? So you'll be able to see the underlying and the call option and put option on the other side. By default, the one click will be disabled. So whenever you want, you can go and enable it. So now I'll be able to place orders by using my arrow keys. So up arrow for placing the call option and down arrow for reducing the positions, right? For buying a put option, I have to press right, and I can add more also if I want. I can also see that instantly. Let's say I'm going to add an call option more here. You can see the quantity in real time. So the quantity can be on demand increased. The best part is the same feature can be used across 32 plus Indian brokers connected with OpenAlgo, or you can also use not only with respect to NFO exchange, you can also use across NSE, BSE, NFO, BFO, MCX, commodities, currencies everywhere, right? And you can also have a predefined stop loss as well. So you can also go here and add your own stop loss. Let's say I want to add a stop loss over here. I can go and add a predefined stop loss if in case, right? And if I want to close my position, so F6, let's say I just press my key F6 over here, that should close all the open positions. Now all the positions are getting down to 0. It also manages to close the freeze quantity positions as well. Anything beyond freeze quantity also, the current feature will be able to close all the open positions. And let's say I want to add an stop loss. I'll say like I want to add an 3-point stop loss and 3-point target for time being. I'll try to keep it pretty much shorter. So I'll keep punching a couple of orders over here. As you can see, like 260 quantities are there. LTP is like 27. So stop loss is 25 and take profit is 31. The moment any stop loss or trailing stop loss is hit, immediately it will be closing down the positions. And alternatively, you can also go and change the stop loss and target from the edit button over here. So almost it is nearing the last traded price. So anytime if it's going to hit the take profit, it should close down the positions. You can see that the moment it reaches, it closes down the positions, right? Now I can also go back and add position. Let's say in equity markets I want to do. So I can go to NSE equity and I'll say like Reliance is what I want to play with that. I'll set the quantity over here. Quantity I'll set as like 100, right? So 100 quantity and or maybe let's say like 10 quantity is what I want to play with that. MAS or CNC you can select. You can also add stop loss and target as well, right? And you can keep placing those orders. You can also place orders as well. So if you want to close, you can also use the button trading as well to close the positions, right? So if you press the button, it automatically closes the position, or you can also press F6, F7 to close all the positions and cancel all the orders. Let's say without stop loss and target, if I am placing any orders, let's say I'm just going to place some 80 quantity over here, I want to place a stop loss. I can also go back and set the stop loss as well, trailing stop loss also, and target price as well. For example, I want to set the price as like 1320, and the target I want to keep it as something like 13450, something like that. And I also want to enable an tick, let's say like every 2 rupees increase in the price, the stop loss will be moved in your favor. If you want to trail that way, you can also add that trail as well, right? So that way the strategy independently at every leg level will be having an independent stop loss, target, trailing stop loss. You also get to see the realized P&L, unrealized P&L, overall P&L, combined P&L of everything, right? So everything can be controlled from one single place. Let me know how it works for you, right? So that let me know in comments, is it working, not working, or any new features that you want to add along with that. And it also works along with commodities as well. So let's say like some commodities, you can go back and select which are the symbols that you want, right? And I can also play orders from the commodities as well. So that's pretty similar almost. So I hope this explains how the scalping terminal works. Let me know what more facilities that you want to see in the scalping terminal. Thank you. Bye-bye.